Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is the 7th day of March 2020. Today's 12:30. The time is 12:30 noontime. We're going to go live here on our website. This is the first Saturday of us going live. We're just going to try to break in and show you some things that we noticed throughout the week, answer any other questions that you all may have regarding some of the other cryptocurrencies, stocks in this marketplace. You could go ahead and let us know. We'll go ahead and respond to your comments as soon as possible. We're going to give it a little bit more minutes, a couple of minutes before, allow other people to come and join in on our live stream. So if you guys got any questions, comments, go ahead and let us know. We'll go ahead and see the comments as they come in. All right. All right, so real quick, just wanted to tell those who are new to this particular live stream on our website that in order for you to comment on our live stream, you definitely need to go ahead and become a member of ours on our website. And you'll do that right up here in this section right here of our website, top right corner of the web page. You'll go ahead and create your login credentials. And then from there, you'll click on the live tab, which is right here. And then you'll be able to see the live stream going on our particular website, and you can ask us comments while we are live streaming. So if you guys got any questions about a stock or a cryptocurrency, that will be the location to which you will go ahead and ask us that question. So you have to become a member first, and then you'll be able to access the comments feed on our live stream. Okay. So overall, let me take a look at the cryptocurrency space as a whole. This is a website on Chain FX, and you can actually tell here that the market is getting some weakness, something that we've been anticipating over the last couple of videos. Throughout this whole work week, we've been eyeing the market showing us weakness. And you can tell some of the biggest losers right now is Bitcoin Cash down 4.04%, Bitcoin SV as well as 4.5%. Binance is getting down as well, 5.5% as well. Tron 4.5%. Even Monero's taking a hit, not as much as Algorand. Algorand is down 6% right now in the market overall in this space. So again, you would expect us to see some weakness coming into the cryptocurrency space because throughout the rest of this last work week, the market had seen higher prices. So it's very positive to see that actually play out in the market, but now the market is just trying to simply take a break. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at Cardano for a moment. And as you can tell right here, Cardano is also another cryptocurrency that is showing us a lot of weakness coming into the market. We did our video about 3 days ago to where we were going to continue to keep our forecast ongoing in this space. And since we did our video on the 4th of March, Cardano continued to see higher price. But we knew that right there where it came to on the 5th and the 6th of March, that was resistance. And for us to get this push to go down bar in this space, it's not a surprise to see it's actually moving lower today. And this cryptocurrency is down 5.68% right now. So actually our forecast is still in play in the market for Cardano. I really don't see any strength really coming into the market right now in Cardano. And this current 4-hour price bar in Cardano is also insinuating that market strength is still apparent. Okay, so we're still anticipating continued weakness in the market for Cardano. And I will tell you, if Cardano is unsuccessful in breaking 5 cents, if we don't close above 5 cents today in the market in Cardano, then expect this cryptocurrency to continue to see lower price. We definitely got the volume coming in right now on this push to go down bar. We breached and tagged 5 cents to the downside, those things are negative. So yes, I'm going to continue to keep our price prediction going on in the market for Cardano. All right. So no change there in the market for Cardano. Let's take a look at it on the weekly chart real quick to see if anything really changes in terms of weakness. And yes, this week the market in Cardano has been literally eyeing this area for support. So one would expect the market to try to hold that area, and so far it's successful at it. No disputes about that. But what we got to contend with is these 3 weeks to which the market in Cardano shown us massive weakness to the downside. Okay, so again, that for the long term instills that the market in Cardano is weak. Here on the monthly time frame, the market in Cardano is still giving us a lot of weakness. Just because we take a couple of days to see movement higher in Cardano doesn't mean that the long term has been erased of what direction the market actually is showing us. So the sentiment in the market in Cardano is weakness. All right. So now I want to talk about Ethereum next, because that was a cryptocurrency that we were eyeing to continue to see some lower price. And as you can tell, this particular cryptocurrency went against us, right? The last day that we did our video was on the 3rd of March, expecting the market to move lower. And the market actually held pressure. It held the selling that came in on the 4th and the 5th of March, and the market continued to see higher price. So yes, I will consider this particular forecast wrong and incorrect. We got it wrong, and we would take this one in as a loss, as about 6.52% right there where we are at right now. And let's talk about what we're getting into the market in Ethereum now. Okay, give you all another price prediction in the market for Ethereum. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this horizontal line here in the market for Ethereum, and I'm going to move it up higher to where the market found resistance. Okay, right there at $250. All right. When you look at Ethereum on the weekly time frame, you can still tell that we almost retraced all of the work and effort to push this cryptocurrency down to the downside this week. Okay, we literally recovered all of the price movement lower last week, this week, which is a good thing in terms of this market in Ethereum maintaining consolidational trading. Okay. Looking at Ethereum on the monthly price chart, you guys can still tell that this cryptocurrency is definitely a lot stronger than it is with Bitcoin. Ethereum is definitely trending stronger in terms of the probability of it moving higher in the long term versus Bitcoin. I would definitely tell you all that right now. Now we still got resistance at $300 in the long term for Ethereum. The market definitely is insinuating that it wants to continue to see some higher price. Just for the time being, we are hitting some resistance right now. Okay, so again, the market in Ethereum looks well in terms of a long-term purview to continue to see this cryptocurrency move higher in price, and that's what we're going to continue to play with in the long term. Now, short term expectation definitely is movement to the downside. I mean, look at that 4-hour price bar right there. And you can see right there on the 3-hour, we just got finished with a massive indication of some weakness entering the market in Ethereum. I'm not really too concerned with that as long as we trade above $335. The market in Ethereum will continue to see higher price as we continue to trade out for the rest of this weekend. $235 is that cash point to where the market would change over in terms of moving lower and to the downside. Okay, so right now, yes, massive amount of volume just came through on the 1-hour price chart. I am suspecting us to try to hold some consolidation of trading in Ethereum, and we're going to continue to play this market in Ethereum with a movement to the upside in price. We're going through weakness right now, so yes, this forecast can definitely turn against us in the near term. Okay, based off the amount of volume and the price bars that we're getting so far today in the market for Ethereum. Now, going forward, another thing that I just noticed is that this area of $244 is resistance in the market for Ethereum, $244. Okay, so we'll TP the market in Ethereum once again at $242. So let's see how much that would be. So maybe about 0.75% profit in the market for Ethereum. Let's bring this down further. So you know what? I'm going to sideline this play now. When I look at Ethereum on the long term, the market gets very foggy and clouded in terms of what direction it's going to go. So we're just going to continue to play the market out, let it do what it do. And once we see anything change and we definitely get a confirmation as to what direction the market in Ethereum is trying to go, we'll go ahead and we'll place a forecast into the market, whether it's higher or lower to the downside. Okay, I'll just tell you now that there is some minor weakness coming through in this space for Ethereum. So we went ahead and did an update for Ethereum. We're not going to put in a price forecast for this cryptocurrency right now. And then we also shown you Cardano and our expectations, and we're going to continue to ride the market in our original forecast that we did on the first day of March. Market is still showing us a lot of weakness there in turn. And if we close below 5 cents, like I said in our Cardano, the market is still going to continue to move lower. So instead of us having our TP, I think we had TP at 4.5 cents. I'm going to TP it now at 0.046. Okay, just 2.5% profit in the market for that particular forecast now. So 0.046 is going to be our TP price in the market for Cardano. All right, so again, we're going to be going live on our website on the weekends, Saturday. So make sure you come in and join us on our website, HueFinancial.com. You have to become a member in order to comment on these videos while we are live streaming. If you guys got any questions about any particular stock, cryptocurrency, just let us know while we are live streaming. We'll go ahead and look at the chart for that particular instrument and tell you what ideas we're getting from the price chart. So once again, we appreciate you all joining us. This is our first episode of us live streaming on our own website, and we definitely want you all to participate with us. So make sure you always maintain a profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.